I just follow my own compass. The 21st century pop artist, Jung Kook of BTS, shot to fame in July 2023 with his debut solo single, 7 Feet, Lado. With his remarkable accomplishment, Jung Kook made history by being the first Asian solo artist to concurrently debut at No. 1 on 3 major worldwide charts: the Billboard Hot 100, Worldwide 200, and Global 200 Axel, US. He is the only K-pop solo artist to have 3 of his tracks, 7, 3D Feet, Jack Harlow, and Standing Next to You, all make it into the top 10 of the Billboard Hot 100. Additionally, by being on the Billboard 200 for 24 straight weeks, his record Golden created history. This brand new video highlights Jung Kook's 8-month journey, showing his unshakable devotion and growth. In Jung Kook, I Am Still, join Jung Kook as he discusses his incredible ascent to prominence and poignant experiences with ARMY all around the world. Jung Kook uses interviews and captivating performances to take audiences on a trip through his ascent to fame, creative process, work ethic, and obstacles as a global icon. With Golden, Jungkook's debut solo album released in 2023, he collaborated with worldwide musicians Jack Harlow, Lado, Usher, and DJ Snake. According to the release, the film presents exclusive, never-before-seen footage and interviews alongside electrifying concert performances. This poignant portrait showcases Jung Kook's unwavering dedication and artistic evolution. In a previous episode of Suchwita, the YouTube talk program hosted by his bandmate Suga, Jung Kook made hints that he was working on a documentary about his solo activities. As to the English version of the show, he stated at the time, "It follows the process from 7 to my album." When you film with other members, the cameras aren't all focused on you. But I always feel kind of pressured talking in front of a camera alone. Jung Kook stated to Variety last summer, "It's my official solo debut, so everything is a challenge and feels new and fresh. Of course, I think a lot about delivering good music and performance while working on my music. But above all, as this is my first step forward in the spotlight as a solo artist, I want to show a more mature and grown version of myself." Jungkook will make a comeback to music and BTS in 2025 after all the other BTS members are also discharged from the military. Thank you for watching.